Which country hosted the 52nd G7 summit in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, France. Which country will host the first International Big Cat Alliance Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. Where was the 11th Raisina Dialogue 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which Indian city will host the BRICS Agriculture Ministers Meeting 2026? Correct answer is option B, Indore. The ninth Indian Ocean Conference 2026 was held in which country? Correct answer is option B, Mauritius. Which city hosted the BRICS Foreign Ministers Meeting 2026? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country hosted the Santa Marta Climate Conference 2026? Correct answer is option A, Colombia. One Health Summit 2026 was held in which city? Correct answer is option B, Lyon, France. Where was the fourth India Africa Forum Summit 2026 held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was India's first International Ophthalmology Research Conference held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. SCO Defense Ministers Meeting 2026 was held in which city? Correct answer is option A, Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Which country hosted the AI Impact Summit 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. World Sustainable Development Summit 2026 was held in. Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which city hosted the World Government Summit 2026? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Where was the 56th World Economic Forum annual meeting held? Correct answer is option C, Davos. Which city hosted the first India International Conference on Democracy and Election Management? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which state hosted the National Textiles Ministers Conference 2026? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Where was the Bharat Electricity Summit 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country was designated Country of the Year at Biofetch 2026? Correct answer is option B, India. Gulf Food 2026 was held in which city? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Which city hosted the 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which city hosted the inaugural Earth Summit 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Where was the second World Summit for Social Development held in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Doha, Qatar. Where was the G20 Leaders Summit 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option D, Johannesburg, South Africa. Which country hosted the World Health Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Where was the 25th SCO Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Where was India Mobile Congress 2025 held in October? Correct answer is option C, Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Where was the National Conference on Land and Disaster Management 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Where was the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference held in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, Barbados. Where was the 28th National Conference on E-Governance held? Correct answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam. Where was the UN Climate Change Conference 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Which ministry launched the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? Correct answer is option D, Ministry of Education. Where was the first global conference on manuscript heritage held in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Where was the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival Saptasur held in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who organized the 11th India Maize Summit 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, FICCI and IIMR. Where was the Semicon India 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the 7th Future Food Forum 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, which country hosted the 52nd G7 Summit in June 2026? And the question number 2 is, which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.